Alright then guys, I thought I'd make a quick video. I've been looking on the internet, having a few problems with my Tassimo coffee maker and couldn't find anything of how to get it apart, so because it's been leaking. Thought I might as well do a video myself, seeing I've taken it apart anyway, and show you a few things inside. You've got a low pressure water pump there which comes straight out of the tank, and on this side here you have this unit here which is the high pressure pump, which then feeds, there's a unit just behind there, that's your heater. You have your control board over that side where everything plugs into, and then coming out of the top here, that's the pipe that actually goes through to the coffee pods to feed into your cup. If you can see that line back there, maybe around the other side would be easier. There we go. This hose here comes out of the main pod holder at the top, kind of like a drain. It goes down to the bottom there and then out there underneath where the cup goes, and that unit there. Mine was, because we've used cappuccinos, it was absolutely full of milk, so I've flushed it clear, cleaned out all the bottom, because down in the bottom there again milk had managed to get through and it smelled terrible. Cleaned it all out. Now it's kind of in reverse this, but the top unit, it clips in the back there, so when you're putting it, coming apart, obviously that way, putting it back together, it goes that way. On the side here there are some clips. There we go. Now that needs to be lined up, and we'll clip back down into there, ensuring that everything is lined up under here. Go back around the other side. To take the main unit off at the top, inside this there's your barcode reader there. That's where your water comes up, or your hot water, and in the front here there is actually a small micro switch, so that when you put that down and click it in place, it won't let the heater heat up until that's in place. So that to me is a potential fault area if your coffee machine has stopped working. So as you can see around this side, you need to make sure this clicks down into there. There is a shroud which does go back over there. Don't think I necessarily needed to take that off, but I did. And as we were showing you at the back, that clicks back in there. Now the sides, what I found out, they have these round pegs here. These line up with these slots here, and at the bottom you have these wedges which line up here and here. So what you need to do, you need to prise the bottom of the side panels out a little bit and then push them upwards, and then they'll come off and you can gain access to all the different components. Didn't realise that straight away, but it took me a while, but I've got there in the end. What I've got to do, this is the ribbon cable which is for the barcode reader, that goes back there, and then there's from the micro switch that I mentioned earlier, that wire then goes back in there. So I'll put it back together and see if I've actually done any good. Hope the video was useful. Like and subscribe if you thought it was any good. Thanks very much. Bye.